If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To record charges to business credit cards in QuickBooks Online Plus within the Expense or Pay Bills window, you simply select the credit card account you used from the Payment Account dropdown within the window to show that you paid using the credit card. Then fill out the remainder of the window's content and save or record the transaction or transactions as usual. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.